Redefining kitchen technology. Refined simplicity. Intelligent performance. Create a smoke-free kitchen experience. Package contents. Unpack the product. Package included. Installation tools. Please read the instructions carefully and check the installation dimensions. Measure height between cooktop and cabinet. Measure reserved cabinet width. Measure reserved cabinet depth. Measure and mark the hanging plate height. Reserve a duct hole. Check for hidden pipes or wires in wall. The 6 types can't be installed. Wear safety gloves before proceeding. Use a level to ensure it is straight. Align the mounting plate at marked height. Find the center line and mark it. Fix the mounting plate, ensuring it is level. And mark all screw positions. Apply a dust protection cover over the working area. Choose the correct drill bit based on wall material. Drill the holes where marked. Use screws together with expansion tube. Tighten the screws to secure the plate. Check the level to make sure it's straight. Apply sealing tape around the air outlet connector. Place foam under the hood to protect it. Install the air outlet connector on top of the hood. Hang the hood onto the hanging plate. Check if the hood is level. Recommended distance from cooktop to hood bottom. Install top fixing screws. Install the 150 mm 5.91 exhaust pipe. Seal connections tightly with aluminum foil tape. Press the tape firmly to ensure an airtight seal. Seal the reserved exhaust pipe at the top with aluminum foil tape and press firmly. Install the left and right side smoke screen. Ensure they click into place. Attach the bottom oil cup. Connect the power plug to the outlet. Touch the control panel and test the functions. Wave left to right to turn on and increase fan speed. Wave right to left to reduce speed or turn off or delay.